Ever wondered how to import your Excel project reports into Power BI? Ponder no longer. This tutorial will guide you through the process, transforming your spreadsheets into a visually striking and insightful Power BI report. Let's begin by opening Power BI. You'll find the Get Data option on the Home tab. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this list, select Excel. This will prompt you to navigate to the location of your Excel project report. Once you've found your file, click Open, and Power BI will start the import process. While Power BI imports your data, it's an excellent opportunity to familiarize yourself with the software's interface. You'll notice that it's divided into three sections: the Fields pane, the Visualizations pane, and the Canvas. The Fields pane is where you'll interact with your data. The Visualizations pane is where you'll design your report, and the Canvas is where your report will come to life. Once your data is imported, it will appear in the Fields pane. You might notice some of your Excel columns have been assigned specific data types by Power BI, such as text, date, or number. If a column has been incorrectly assigned, don't worry. You can easily change this by clicking on the data type icon next to the column name and selecting the correct type. Now let's move on to creating your first report. Click on the visualization you want to use from the Visualizations pane. For example, a bar graph, a pie chart, or a line graph. Drag and drop the fields you want to visualize from the Fields pane onto the Values and Axis sections of the Visualizations pane. You've just created your first report, but we're not done yet. Power BI offers a wealth of customization options. You can change the color scheme, add labels, create filters, and much more. Play around with these options until you're satisfied with your report. To finish off, save your Power BI report. Click on the File tab, select Save As, and choose your desired location. Your report is now ready for presentation. To summarize, importing Excel project reports into Power BI involves 4 main steps. First, open Power BI and import your Excel file. Second, familiarize yourself with the Power BI interface and ensure your data is correctly classified. Third, create your report by selecting a visualization and adding your data. Finally, customize your report to your liking and save it. By following these steps, you'll be able to transform your Excel project reports into insightful Power BI reports. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use Power BI, the more comfortable you'll become with its features and capabilities. So, go ahead and start exploring.